What's going on, gang? So, I was working on my rear breaker. Just testing to see if I could even, break it loose without having a big old breaker bar and whatnot. I've been waiting all week because I didn't have the right tools to do this. And I got another hour before I could go pick up this little brace that pins it between the floor and the wheel lug so you could actually put torque on it. Just for the hell of it, I'm killing time. Here, just check this out. You gotta see this. You really gotta see this. So I get the cotter pin out, right? Beep, beep. There's the breaker bar. I had to go borrow the breaker bar. Will let me the socket and the torque wrench. And I went, and I swear you not, I was going to be Hercules. But I just dropped it, and the nut turned. And the nut turned. It turned. It turned. That's not supposed to be that loose, right? I never had a problem. Other than the brake cylinder itself is leaking. But that should have been tighter than that, right? Right? It should have been tighter than that, right? I'm going nuts. So it's now Thursday. So I was accumulating the tools and waiting to get tools, and I could have did this last week. Oh well, let's jack it up and I'll continue doing what I'm doing. I just wanted to show you guys that I don't think that was supposed to do that. Let me know, comment below if it was supposed to be that loose. And as much as I've been driving this thing around, and I'm not gonna lie, I did a couple of burnouts. Did a couple of burnouts in it. Never had an issue. Had it to 80 miles an hour on the freeway. Didn't have an issue. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be tighter than that. Let me know. Comment below. VW bug problems. Oh yeah, I also don't know what I'm saying. It's 5:22 Thursday. My parts were supposed to be here at noon. Between 10 and noon, it said. Between 10 and noon. It's 5:22. So no matter what I did down here, I still couldn't do anything. I don't have the parts.